Have you ever wondered how the animated movies are created or how the graphics in the video games are created? So there are softwares to do that, like Autodesk Maya, and Blender is also an option which is fully free and as powerful as those softwares. So in this video, I'll show you how to install and get started with Blender. So here I'm on Blender website, which is blender.org, and I'm going to downloads. And from here, I'll click on download Blender. It will download the Windows installer for me. Current version is 5.1.2 and size is 354 megabyte. So if I click on download, it will start the download, but for this tutorial I have already downloaded it, so let's not re-download it. So this is the Blender installer. Let's just install it and get started. So I'm opening it with double click, clicking on next. Default installation step is fine, so you can just next and install it, and clicking on finish. So now Blender is installed. So let's search for Blender. Yeah, Blender 5.1, and Blender window is showing up. Yeah, this is the very first look of Blender. It is showing me the quick setup window. I think default is fine. Here mouse select is left button, which is default, and spacebar action is play. So I'm clicking on continue, and let's just click outside of this window so that it disappears. So since it is installed correctly, I'll just go to file and open a existing which I have downloaded from GitHub. So let's see, let's open it. Yeah, as you can see, this is the view. I hope you got the idea how to install Blender, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you want me to make more helpful content like this, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That means a lot for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.